I'm willing to bet that your shop has a customer by the name of Everett sent you. You know the one. That's the customer that shows up a few days after picking up their car and says, "Ever since you did my oil change, my radio doesn't work," or something like that, right? Hi, I'm Dorman Training Instructor Pete Meier for Motor Age Magazine with a few tips on handling the Everett sent yous using the Ultra S2 and a few other fine Autel products. Documenting the condition of a customer's car when you take it in or begin working on it has been a good idea for a long time, and for more than one reason. Yeah, sure, there will always be an Everett sent you in your life, and you have to safeguard your shop from them. But there's more. I was taught early on in my career to at least perform a visual safety inspection on every car I was assigned. You know, check the tires, check the brakes, check the lights, you get the idea. But customers often waited at the shop for their vehicles to be serviced, and if you saw something that needed attention, it was easy enough for you to go grab them and show them the problem. Not so much today, right? We live in a digital world, and that makes it even easier for us than it was back in the old days. How? By performing a digital vehicle inspection, and it's built into the Ultra S2. Access the application from the main menu, and then fill in the information asked for. Start by selecting vehicle appearance and do a walk around. Look for pre-existing damage. Take pictures with the S2 tablet, then use the hand-drawn function to point it out in the photo and make notes as to what kind of damage it is. Once you've completed the inspection, the S2 will prepare a 3D report you can easily share with your customer. This protects you from any misunderstandings later on. If you can, perform this part of the inspection when the customer first drops it off and have them walk around the car with you. Then work your way down the list, starting with brake and tire. This begins the mechanical inspection of the vehicle. Understand that this part of your inspection is not about adding on additional services to the repair order. It's to meet the awesome responsibility you have as professional technicians to your customers. They depend on you, your training and experience, to keep their families safe. On these screens, you can inspect the old-fashioned way and fill out the suggestions on the report, or you can marry the Autel Tire Inspection tool and the Autel TPMS tool and have that data automatically populate for you. Continue through the menu inspections, rating each item as you go. You'll find the same feature when it comes to the last part of the report, one that I think is especially important when the weather is cold outside: battery performance. Integrate the BT506 battery starting charging system tester with the S2 and make sure that the electrical system has a good foundation to draw from. Weaknesses here can have all sorts of consequences, like a car that starts fine until the mercury dips, or DTCs that set because the supply voltage dropped below specification. When you completed the report, you can save it to the data manager and also share it with your customer. Add in a full system scan report to provide your customer with a complete evaluation of their vehicle's needs and make appropriate recommendations on how they can best maintain and protect one of the most expensive purchases they will ever make.